Hey, welcome back. Today is May 3rd, Monday. Before anything else, please do be aware of any fake profiles down in the YouTube comment section below, especially the ones asking you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals or pretending to be my profile name and picture. I will not ask you guys to contact any random numbers or individuals, so if you see a fake profile like that, it's better if you guys just report it. Now on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into Stratis and Augur and see what is going on in these markets, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks after you sign up for an account and deposit $100 US, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on these markets. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in these markets, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. See what's going on in these markets first. Most importantly, I have to take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. Right now, we do have Bitcoin dominance down about 2.5%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up about 1.6%. Total altcoin market cap up about 6.7%. Now, this would be the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, as I would usually see. Total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside, because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I will usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Weekly time frame here, we have broken below that key support I've been talking about the 50% fit level area, with that weekly candle close yesterday. Okay, and now we're continuing downwards. Now, if Bitcoin dominance continues downwards here, that's more ideal for the altcoins. Let's zoom out to the monthly time frame here. And the next key support here would be about the 45 cents fit level area. Next key support will be about the 45 cents fit level area. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin here. Monthly time frame, we have closed last month's candle with a slight bearish candle here, and if the price action was to continue higher and make a higher high, it does need to beat the last high RSI reading here of about just right under 92 here to negate bearish divergence. This is not a time frame I lose track of because we are still in very overbought territory, and if it pulls back for one data point on here, that's still 1 month's worth of pulling back. Bitcoin. We have broken out of a smaller falling wedge pattern here about last week. As I have mentioned, measure target is right underneath 62K. Price action is holding these two key support levels right now, the daily 50 MA and the daily 21 MA. If Bitcoin pulls back at any time, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins. That bearish effect would be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to Stratis. May point out on the monthly time frame here, we're currently at about an RSI reading of right underneath 62, so it is not in overbought territory. Weekly time frame here, I do see a cup and handle pattern. We do have the bigger rounded bottom here and a smaller rounded bottom that is still forming right now, but I do think this cup and handle pattern is pretty developed. Now, the resistance or the neckline of this cup and handle pattern would be about $3, and on this weekly time frame is the earliest time frame I do not see a candle close above the $3 level. We've had 3-day candle closes, which is the next time frame down below, with candle closes above the $3 level since the formation of this pattern here back in 2018. So I will count weekly candle closes above the $3 level to be a safer signal that the price action has broken out of this pattern. Now measure target out of this pattern, which is taken by measuring from the neckline of the pattern to the bottom of the pattern here, which I will even take into consideration of this bigger candle wick here, okay? And then adding the measurement back on top of the neckline here, gives me a measured target of right underneath $6. So approximately $5.96 here, right underneath $6. Let's take a look into the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance immediately. Let me also say this. Cup and handle patterns are generally bullish patterns. I don't have a stat for the cup and handle pattern according to my usual source, which is Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com. So if you guys see a accurate stat you guys want to provide, you guys can leave it in the comment section below and I can take a look. Now, key support and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance immediately would be about the $3 neckline of this cup and handle pattern, followed up by about the $3.50 fib level area. Next one up would be about the $4.50 fib level area. Next one up would be about the $5.60 fib level area. Key support immediately would be about the $2.20 fib level area. Next one down, daily 21, daily 50, the blue and the white line. 3-day 21 MA, which is the blue line here. And then the weekly 21 MA, which I do think is significant in this case because the price action did almost touch this weekly 21 MA before buy pressure came in and the price action rebounded very quickly here. So I do think this would be the key support, the major moving average I'll be looking at. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks out of this cup and handle pattern and go towards this measured target, mining some of those resistance levels I have just pointed out as those could be points of rejection. And as I've said, the safer signal I'm looking for here to tell me that the price action has broken out of this pattern will be seeing a weekly candle close above the $3 neckline. But of course, that's the safer signal. And that is if I don't want to take as much risk if I was to get into this position. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks support. Next one down would be about the $2.20 fib level area. That's the next key support I'm looking at. Followed by the daily 21, the daily 50, the 3-day 21 MA. However, like I said, the key support I'm looking at here would be the weekly 21 MA, as that looked like there had been quite a bit of buy pressure coming from that, which had the price action rebound very quickly. So I do think if the price action actually gets a weekly candle close below this weekly 21 MA, that would not be a good sign. That tells me that there is not enough buy pressure coming from this moving average to continue pushing this price action through out of this cup and handle pattern. Let's go over to Augur. Monthly time frame. We're at about 71 out of 100, so in slight overbought territory. Now let's take a look on the 3-day time frame where I can point out an ascending triangle pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern. According to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it is a 63% chance of it breaking to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, the measured target here, which is taken by measuring from the neckline or the top resistance line, I would say, is about $57, which I can actually get three-day candles touching on this trend line here. And I will have a measured target, which is taken by measuring the opening of the pattern and then adding it back on top of the pattern here will give me approximate measured target of about just right under $89, right underneath $89 measured targets. And again, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action more or less. Let's take a look to some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance. Immediately, the daily 21 MA, the blue line, right at the price action right now. Next one up, about $45 fib level area. Next one up, about, the $57 resistance top trend line of this ascending triangle pattern, about the $57 resistance. Next one up, I could guess psychological resistances coming from round numbers where traders are likely to take profits above the pattern. So first one up will be about $60. And then $70. The 1.618 fib retracement level here is about $75. I could expect psychological resistance coming from $80 and $90, which is beyond the target. Key support here would be about $40 fib level area, daily 50 MA, 3-day 21 MA, and then about the $35 fib level area, and then about the $30 fib level area before looking at the weekly 21 MA, which is fast approaching. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks out of this ascending triangle pattern and go towards its measured target, mining some of those resistance levels I have just pointed out, as those could be points of rejection and where traders are likely to take profits and sell pressure to come in. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks its bottom trend line. It depends on when it actually breaks its bottom trend line. Then I will look to the next either fib level area or major moving average underneath that price action and seeing if the price action holds, especially at those key supports I have just mentioned, and still keep this ascending triangle pattern shape intact. Now these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.